Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
See how I didn't swing back? When you swung, put a stick in. When you swung, put a stick in. If we were swinging full, I'd been getting hit a bit, but the hits wouldn't have been solid, and then my little hit to the helmet wouldn't have been a big hit. It would have been a push off, right? But it's when your stick comes through, then put something in. Stick comes through, put something in, and just move, just try to relax as much as you can. And you gotta keep moving up. See how close you got? That's where it's hard. You gotta use that to push back off. Okay, so we're gonna try kind of 1 and 2 a little bit. Push off. Let that slide back if you can. Yeah, let your stick slide down. If you make contact here, your fish should be close. If you're that close, your fish should be nice and tight. But push back. Yeah. There, now you're ready to tee off. Come in again. Okay, yeah. Now push off and strike. No. Slide back. Slide back first. Slide back first. Push back. Now, then you're ready to tee off. Hold your arm up like that. See if I'm inside this, I'm going to slide. And then hit. See how here from when we're down, I'm sliding off that, and then I'm going to hit. See how dynamic the forward is? Like when you be here, we can be here. I'll slide. Yeah. See how fast I'm moving back to that slide? And then I'll move away if I move. So you got to have that, when that's on, move away. And then, yeah. There, you're too close. Slide back. I'm going to get on that, slide back. Get on that. You know what I mean? Like you got to watch it coming down, kind of being too. Do you get what I mean? You see his body was a little loose? Like move from me a little bit, like move with me again. So little hops at the end there. Yeah. See what I mean? Like it just feels like if I come in hard, like you're kind of like